Hello and welcome to Startpage. This video will show you how to make Startpage private search engine your homepage and startup page inside of Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. To begin, go to startpage.com. Highlight the URL within your browser, right-click, then select Copy. Navigate to the 3 vertical dots in the top right of your browser and select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Once you're inside your browser's settings, scroll down until you see the Appearance category. If this isn't already enabled, make sure to enable it. Then select the custom field at the bottom, right-click, and paste the URL we copied earlier. Click away from the entry field and you'll see this automatically saves your URL as the home page. Additionally, if you want to see Startpage every time you start up your browser, scroll down until you see the On Startup category. Select Open a specific page or set of pages, click Add a new page, paste that same URL into this field, then press Add. Now, if you click your homepage icon or start a new instance of your browser, you'll be navigated to startpage.com, the world's most private search engine.